Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Sd.Kfz 222 and the 260. The 260 is fully assembled, or not fully assembled, it comes as a kit as well, but I've already assembled it already because, as you can see, the assembly process will be exactly the same as the 222, except the 222 will have the turret as an additional step. So pay attention to all the steps that I'm doing, and that information will work for both. So just start to clip away this support plastic in here. Just take your hobby clippers and clip away that support plastic. So that piece is ready. Now we have this piece to work with. And just clean that up. Okay. That's cleaned up as well. Now it's time for the rest of this. So take the sprue, cut that away, cut this away, and then you can go ahead and start to clip. There you go. There's that. Just clipping away all those sprues at this point. Okay. And then there's this. Now this, of course, this task is the same as for both versions of this car. Just take the two halves and glue them together like that. It's fairly easy. This seam line, you can sand it down, put some hobby putty, sand it down if you wish to make that not appear. Now take this little cylinder, put some glue, put that in the middle like so. There you go. Alright, that's like that. Now take some glue, put the glue on the axles there. Make sure the axle goes in the center of the wheel. Up next, just put a little glue there and a little glue there. This Loctite glue I sell in my shop, by the way, for about the same price as Walmart. So if you're in the US, I would just buy that from me instead of Walmart, but that's up to you. But I recommend that Loctite glue, it's pretty good. Okay. Of course, any modeling glue probably would work just fine. If that's not fitting in there, then you can carefully take the X-Acto knife and clean that up. That should help. Should work now. There you go. There they are. They're available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.